Advanced Java, April 2015. Part A. Name one server side applet. A applet is a front end and servlet is a back end. A Java applet is a small application which is written in Java delivered to the user in the form of bytecode. Applet or the client-side Java application that run in the browser, but servlet as a server-side application that run only on the server side. To write one log file name used by web services. A weblog file is a log file automatically created maintained by web server. Every hit to the website, including the view of HTML document, image or objects logged. The raw WebLogic file is essentially one line of text each bits of the website. 3. Java Bean. A Java Bean is a bean or classes that can encapsulate many objects into the single object. It is a Java class that should follow the conversion properties in Java Bean. It must be private with the public getter method and setter method. 4. Give the commands to create the jar file. Jar is Java archive. To creating jar file in file prompt. Start command prompt. Navigate the folder that hold your class file. Set path to include the JDK, Java Development Kit. Then compile your classes. 5. What is a session bean in EJB? EJB is enterprise Java bean. It is a session beans created by the client. The duration of the single client server or server session. From the client perspective, the session bean is non-persistent object that implements some business logic running on the application server. 6. What is entity bean related with? Some example of the business objects or customer, order and product. If the application server, the persistent storage mechanism in a relational database, typically each entity bean has underlying table in relational database and each instances beans corresponding the row in that table. 7. List one bean property. A Java bean property is a named attribute that can be accessed user object. The attributes can be any Java data type including the classes you can define. The Java property can be read, write, read only or write only. 8. What do stub and skeleton relate to? At the lower level, stub and skeleton communicate with each other from client side. The business object communicate with the stub object. The stub take responsibility from the message and invoke the web services. 9. List a one function of RMI. The RMI allows an object to invoke the method, the object running into another JVM, Java Virtual Machine. The RMI is a remote method invocation, provide the remote communication between the application using two objects, stub and skeleton. Stub is a server side, stub is a client side, skeleton is a server side. 10. What is JSP? JSP is a Java server page technology that helps the software developer create dynamically generated the web pages based on the HTML, hypertext markup language, extensible markup language or other document type. Released in 1999 by Sun Microsystem. JSP is similar to the PHP and ASP. PHP is the personal home page. ASP is the active server page but uses the Java programming languages. What is MVC? MVC pattern stands for Model View Controller Pattern. This pattern is used to separate the application concern model. The model represents the objects or Java Pujo carrying data. It also have logic update controller if it is the data changes. 12. What is the Cold Fusion? The Cold Fusion in the JVM programming language that support the scripting and templating developed by J.J. Hallerin in 1995 to make development of CGI script easier and faster. CGI is Common Gateway Interface. Thank you.